like 50, 60, 70, 80, whatever you want. Something like 50. Okay, easy, don't jerk it. 2 and 3. All of them 50 to warm up with deep breathing. So 10 times or 15 times, rotating your shoulders again. Forward, 50, and back, 50. Okay, next one, we do cats, right? 1 and 2 and 3, this one, yeah? Okay, try to do hips, so 2, 3, 4, and let's say 8, 9, and 10, as deep as you can, and right? To rotate shoulder cups, 50. Okay, and bending, like a double bend, and exhaling through your nose. And one more. And then change your hands. And the same thing. Done. Elbows and this part and your wrists. So 2 forces, 1 up, 1 down, and you exhaling. And stretching, right? And 2 more.
Total of how many?
4. Out. And then the other hand.
Can you show me front ways, what it looks like?
Yeah, and 2 more. Stretching ligament, in the shoulder cup. So it's again, pulling and breathing out. And then I bend it. And I do double because, I damage my shoulder so. And then the other hand, same thing. And again.
So 2 times on each side.
2 times on each side. You can abdominals. So 1, 2, 20, 30, 15, it's up to you. Okay? This exercise. We're doing this. So you're pulling a little bit and standing on one leg, right? Let's say you're doing 15, only the last 3, 13, 14, and 15, you pull like this. And you're standing and pull more. And breathe out. Right? So you're pulling actually lower back, muscles of lower back.
Okay.
Right? Oops. So this is for your lower back and for your hips. So head is straight, so you're rotating, you just actually, moving your butt. That's all you do. Like let's say 20 one side and 20 the other side. All right? So kicking.
Side kick.
And the other side kick.
And try to do 20 on each side, starting off, ideally 50 on each side.
Yeah, ideally 50. And then you turn around and do this. Don't try to kick very high, listen to your body, because you don't want to stretch anything, overstretch.
And always the inside leg.
And go, yeah, for a balance. Hips again and standing on one leg. So it's 1, 2, 3, and try to do 10, and then 5. 1, 2, 3, let's say 5. And the same with the other leg, all right? You open your lungs like that, not like this, totally, right? You relax, your hands under your head, and you breathe. Inhale, stop breathing, count in your mind, 1, 2, 3, and exhale on full count of 4. Everything through your nose. Okay, you do 3, 4, exhale and inhale, like this. And then when you feel ready for exercise, here's the exercise. Right? And you never put it down and don't go to 90 degrees like that. So it's in this angle, right? And breathe out. Okay? It's like that, right? Okay, takes care of upper abdominals and side abdominals, right? So you know your hands on the top of your head, maybe not on the top, but here, not here. Do not pull your neck. Do not help it. You know, up, and you know you hold it firmly here. You know, and press down on your head, right? Then you will hold it. So you know you'll try to reach the knee with the elbow. You're going diagonally and you exhaling. And you do not lay down. No. You always keeping an angle, right? You're doing this exercise. The same thing, the same idea. And then the other side. Okay? Similar, right? The only thing you're doing like a bicycle. Your legs here. It's a very known exercise. And or it's up to you, right? If you can reach the knee, you can. If you cannot, don't force yourself. It will come. Or, okay? So muscles, man. So this is the next exercise. So you're laying like that. This hand, you know, you have to find your balance.
That's right.
Okay? So this hand is anchor you, and don't do it this way because
Yeah.
unbalanced, you know. Try to do this way. Okay, and you're doing this. You don't have to breathe if you don't want to. If you want to breathe, because there is no contraction of abdominals. So one, and then second.
Right.
And then you roll on another
How
side.
many do we do on each side?
Okay, well, try to do 20.
Okay.
Okay, so on the stomach. So breathing on the stomach, you put the hands like this, right? And your head on the forehead. So you will find position. This is basically like this. And breathe, you know, doing the same thing, but on your stomach. Inhale, hold it on full count of 3, and release it on full count of 4. So your breathing next exercise is for your lower back. So first you bring up the torso. So you put hands like that, or you keep it like this. It's up to you. Okay? I do it like this because my arms are short. So it's that's the exercise. The other one is you put the hands under your groin and you go like this. And yeah, your face on the cheek, on left or right, or you can change it, it doesn't matter. Let's say you did 10 on this side and then put it here and do 10, another 10 like this. Okay, the third. Or doesn't matter.
And your
Right.
head stays lifted up while you're doing that?
What's that?
Your head stays lifted up while you're doing that?
Yeah, when you do, you cannot put it down.
Yeah.
It's hard, right?
Okay.
So it's like this. Yeah, you don't have to lift it up, but like this.
Okay.
The last exercise is push-ups, right? So, you know, breathing is important because your push-ups are perfect. So you go down, and people underestimate breathing. Breathing helps you to, you know, it gives you an extra power. You see this? Okay.